Have you ever heard someone say they needed to uphold something and wondered exactly what they meant? It's a phrase we use quite often, but its full weight and implications can sometimes be a bit fuzzy. Today, we're going to clear up that confusion and explore what to uphold truly means, why it matters, and how it plays out in our daily lives. At its core, to uphold means to maintain or support something at a high level. Think of it like holding something up so it doesn't fall, or keeping it in a strong, stable position. It implies a sense of responsibility, effort, and often, a commitment to a standard or a principle. It's not just about passively agreeing, it's about actively working to ensure something continues to exist or thrive in the way it's supposed to. Let's break down the nuances. When you uphold the law, for example, you're not just avoiding breaking it, you're supporting its enforcement, respecting its intent, and perhaps even advocating for its continued relevance. Police officers are sworn to uphold the law, meaning they are tasked with ensuring it is respected and followed. Similarly, a judge upholds justice by making fair and impartial rulings that align with legal principles. Beyond the legal realm, to uphold applies to many other aspects of life. Consider a team leader who needs to uphold team morale. This means they're actively working to foster a positive and supportive environment, address conflicts, and celebrate successes. They're not just hoping morale stays high, they're taking deliberate steps to maintain it. In a family, children might be taught to uphold family values, which means they're expected to live by the principles of honesty, respect, and kindness that the family cherishes. The concept also ties into reputation and standards. A company might strive to uphold its reputation for quality. This involves consistent effort in product development, customer service, and ethical practices. They're not cutting corners, they're actively working to ensure their products and services continue to meet a high benchmark. An artist might uphold the traditions of their craft, meaning they respect and continue to practice the fundamental techniques and aesthetics passed down through generations. To uphold often implies a defense against challenges or threats. If a constitution is upheld, it means its principles and articles are defended against attempts to undermine or violate them. If you uphold a promise, you're standing by your word even when it might be difficult or inconvenient to do so. This requires integrity and a strong sense of commitment. It's about more than just fulfilling an obligation, it's about reinforcing the trust placed in you. In essence, to uphold is a verb of action and commitment. It signifies a proactive stance, a dedication to maintaining a certain standard, and often, a defense against anything that might compromise it. It's about preserving, supporting, and ensuring the continued integrity of something important. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.